Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an email newsletter in Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged and informed about your latest updates, products, or services. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This will take you to Mailchimp's homepage where you can access all of their email marketing tools. Once you're there, look for the login button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Click on Campaigns and an expanded menu will appear. From this menu, select Email Templates. This section is where Mailchimp stores all the pre-designed templates you can use to create professional-looking emails without starting from scratch. You'll now be directed to a page showing your saved templates and web pages. From here, click on the section labeled Mailchimp Templates. This is where Mailchimp houses a collection of templates that you can freely use for your marketing emails and newsletters, saving you time and effort in the design process. At the top part of the page, you'll notice a filter function. Use this filter and click on Newsletter. This will narrow down the template options to specifically show newsletter designs, making it easier for you to find exactly what you need for your campaign. Browse through the variety of newsletter types available. Take your time to look for something that aligns with your brand's style and the message you want to convey. Once you've found a template you're interested in editing, click on the Create Email button. This will initiate the setup process for your newsletter. You'll now be directed to your email overview page. This is where you'll configure important details like the to and from fields, add a compelling subject line, and schedule when your email will be sent. On the right part of the page, you'll see an Edit Email button. Click on it to start customizing your newsletter's content and design. You're now in the page editor, which is where the real customization happens. From here, add your brand identity by customizing the content to reflect your business's voice and message. Adjust the colors to match your brand guidelines and modify the text to emphasize what makes your brand unique. This personalization ensures your newsletter stands out in your subscribers' inboxes. Once you're satisfied with all the customization and your newsletter looks exactly how you want it, click on Save and Exit. Your newsletter is now ready to be reviewed and sent to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created an email newsletter in Mailchimp that's tailored to your brand and ready to engage your subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.